Welcome to the video of Candidate Instructions for Computer-Based Test CBT of JEE Advanced 2018. This video will guide you through navigation for the instructions that are to be followed during the conduct of JEE Advanced 2018. Here are the steps that you need to perform after occupying your seat and allotted computer or system in the examination hall. First, you need to log in to your assigned computer. The login screen will appear, which will have your profile information, including the photograph submitted by you during the time of filling the examination form. Provide the password in the login screen. Your user ID will be auto pre-filled. Type your password by clicking on the keyboard icon to use the virtual keyboard. Then click Sign In.
Password should be candidate's date of birth. This should be mentioned in the form of DDMMYYYY.
Instructions will be displayed on the screen. The default language for viewing the instructions will be English. You can change the default language to Hindi from the provided drop-down list. After viewing the instructions carefully, click Next. Your screen will display general instructions for the test. Select the language from the Choose Your Language drop-down and choose between English and Hindi. Questions will then appear in the chosen language. Note that the language of a particular question can also be changed later in the question itself. Then, select the checkbox and click the I am ready to begin link. Now you can start submitting the answers using the mouse cursor. Your screen will display your photograph along with a profile link. Using this link, you can change the language of the questions. As you begin, a clock timer indicating the time left for the examination will be displayed on the screen. This will indicate the time remaining to complete the examination. Note that in case the timer stops due to any disruption, you will not lose any time for attending the remaining examination. You can also change the language for viewing the questions from the given drop-down option. If you wish to view the instructions at any time during the examination, click the instructions link on the top right corner of your screen. To view the full question paper anytime during the test, click the question paper link given on the top right corner of your screen along with the instructions link. The section column will display various sections. You need to click on each section to complete the test. In any situation where the answers are to be selected from the number grid, use the virtual keyboard. Use the backspace button on the number grid to delete or edit a number or digit. You can navigate to the questions section using the scroll or by clicking on the down arrow to navigate to the bottom and up arrow to navigate to the top of the question area. The status for each question will be displayed on the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. The same information for all questions can be viewed from the question paper icon on the top left corner of the screen.
The count shown in Legends will include count from all the sections in the examination. Also, by clicking on the I displayed with section name, the count displayed in the Legends will be according to the count of the particular section of the examination. Note that the numbers displayed within the Legends is the count of question falling in each category.
The status for each question will be displayed on the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. The same information for all questions can be viewed from the question paper icon on the top left corner of the screen. The description for each question number will be displayed in the defined color as per the following: green, answered questions; red, Unanswered questions. Grey, questions not visited or viewed. Violet with mark, questions marked for review along with the answer to be considered for evaluation. Violet without mark, questions marked for review. Now, to submit the answer, select any of the following tabs. Mark for review and next. To mark the answer if you want to return to it later and move on to the next question. In case of questions marked for review, modifications can also be done later if required or at the time of submission. If no changes are made in the answers later, the answer available will be treated as the final answer. Clear response. To clear the answer options for that question only. Save and next. To save your answer for evaluation and move to the next question. After the examination time is over, all the answers will be auto-submitted. The candidate will have to submit the rough sheet or sheets to the invigilator before leaving the lab.